Sir, please may I come in?
Please come in.
Good evening, sir.
Please, Praveen Yadav,
Right, sir.
please take the seat. Just give me a minute, huh?
Right, sir.
Okay. Please briefly introduce yourself.
So, my name is Praveen Yadav. I come from Eta, Uttar Pradesh. So, I've done my schooling from St. George's College, Mussoorie. Thereafter, I did my intermediate from DPS RKpuram, New Delhi. And I've done my BLLB honors from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, National University, Lucknow. And post that, sir, I have been preparing for UPSC.
Third attempt.
Right, sir.
And this is your first interview.
Right, sir.
And what is the date of your interview?
Sir, 11th Feb.
11th Feb.
Right, sir.
From what I recall last time, Praveen, I thought I told you that you are already well prepared.
Right, sir.
So why are you doing it again?
Sir, from your review, sir, you said you need to brush up your international law and everything. Right, sir. So there were few flaws I felt. First one was, sir, I was speaking a bit fast.
All right.
Right, sir.
International law.
Right, sir.
Action by US in Venezuela.
Right, sir.
Did it? How would you consider that action of attack on Venezuela
Right, sir.
and abducting the president of Venezuela and his wife?
Right, sir.
Was it in violation of the international law?
So clearly it was in violation of the international law.
What action can be taken by Venezuela or anyone else?
Sir, they can approach the International Court of Justice against the arbitrary use of force to clause 4 of the UN Charter, and they can use it and ask them to for certain conditions which can be implicated on the USA. But for enforcement, obviously, sir, they'll have to again seek measures from the UNSC, which can be vetoed by the US. So, sir, in practicality, I don't think so.
I didn't ask you all that, but
Right, sir.
I asked you what action can be taken to begin with, if by either Venezuela or anyone else. So they can go to the ICJ.
Right, sir.
By whether it can be enforced or not is a different matter
Right, sir.
altogether. In which case, my one question again is, what does international law actually mean in terms of maintaining international law and order?
Sir, I feel, sir, it is about resuming the global world order, sir, presently, without resorting to the use of force and preserving the territorial integrity of the nations and the sovereignty of the nations. That is the primacy rule of the international law.
Okay, so non-enforceable.
Yes, sir.
Non-enforceable.
Sir, in reality, it is, but in theory, sir, it is to be enforced through the measures of the UN, UN and the UN Security Council. Yes.
Nowadays, I hear a lot about disruption of international order.
Right, sir.
What international order is being disrupted?
Sir, for starter, I'll say the violation of the UN Charter. So, by the arbitrary use of force by nation. So, use of tariff as a measure in clear violation of the World Trade Organization. So, non-compliance with the orders of the International Court of Justice. So, these are few examples of how the international law is being, scripted of its powers.
Okay. Last question. What is happening in Iran? USA is moving its navy across those central states of Hormuz.
Right, sir.
Why? And how is that creating a situation of conflict in the region?
Sir, USA, sir, has recently said by Mr. Donald Trump, the president of USA, so he's sending one of his naval ships, that is Abraham Lincoln III, to the West Asia, sir, in retaliation to one of the the killings of the innocent protesters in Iran. And sir, it is disrupting the global conflicts, the peaceful situation in the West Asian nation, because it is dividing the entire West Asia. So into blocks like countries like the Oman, Qatar, so they are supporting USA, and it is bringing a disruption in the entire economic and the trade.
Are Oman and Qatar supporting USA?
Sir,
Are Oman and Qatar supporting USA
Sir,
in action against Iran? This action I'm talking about.
Sir, I am not aware about the particular,
read.
but
Please
sir, yes, definitely.
Because in this particular case, practically the entire Middle East
Right, sir.
has refused to be part of the war.
Definitely,
They've
sir.
denied their airspace to the USA.
Definitely, sir.
Please read again on that part.
Definitely, sir.
All right. There was that was Iran. We are starting to, in fact, today,
Yes, sir.
Arab foreign ministers meeting today and tomorrow
Okay,
in Delhi.
Right, sir.
Have you read about it?
No, sir. I was.
You have not
Sir,
read about that.
I haven't had the chance to go through today's newspaper, sir. That was the
In
problem.
that case, you will remember that I had also asked you to go through the papers every morning.
Yes, sir. Right, sir. Oh,
Yes.
sir. I usually go through.
No. All right. So you don't know about the Arab. Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates.
Right, sir.
Sorry, not Saudi Arabia and Israel foreign ministers
Right, sir.
they also visited USA yesterday.
Sir,
You didn't-
I'm not aware about the
You're not
answer.
aware of it.
Praveen, what is the difference between snooker and billiards?
Sir, I'm not aware about that, sir.
And can you name the first billiard player from India who rose to international fame?
Sir, I don't think so. I can't recall anything as such.
Okay. Eta, you hail from Eta.
Right, sir.
Can you tell me why Eastern UP is not developed as regards Western UP? What are the reasons?
Sir, one of the primary reasons behind Eastern UP lacking behind, I would say, was the initiative of the Green Revolution, so which had such impact more in the Western Uttar Pradesh, owing to the large land holding and, sir, the landforms in the Western Uttar Pradesh. Sir, it particularly was the origin point of that. Oh, sir, second is probably the presence of the zamindari system. Sir, in Eastern Uttar Pradesh, we see a lot of zamindars in present also. And sir, a lot of, small sized landholdings are present in Eastern Uttar Pradesh. And there are a lot of landless farmers as compared to the Western Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, now tell me about badminton.
Right, sir.
Who are the only two male shuttlers to have won badminton, the All England Badminton Tournament? And in which years?
Sir, Indians.
Indians.
Sir, if you allow me to guess, sir.
No, you should know it.
Right, sir. Sir,
Tell me.
Prakash Padukone, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am not aware about the year. Sir, is the second one, sir, Pulela Gopichan?
It is, and you should know. Who is the only Indian female shuttler to have been ranked number 1 in the world?
Sir, Saina Nehwal. Right, sir.
Right. Okay, tell me something about Ram Manohar Lohia.
Right, sir.
When was he born and when did he die?
Sir, he passed away in 1967. He was, sir, I'll take a second, sir. So I can't recall his actual date of birth. Yes, sir. But, sir, yes.
Can you tell me about his contribution?
Yes, sir. Sir, one of his major contributions would be the Sapt Kranti, which he talked about equality among women and men and women, economic equality, and sir, equality in the sense of racial, caste, everything. And sir, he talked about civil liberties. And sir, apart from that, he was also in favor of making Hindi as the primary source of education, uniformity in education, where every school teaches the same quality.
Okay. Do you agree to the banning of social media for children? What are the pros and cons? Where has it been instituted?
Sir, recently, sir, France is in the process of instituting a...
But where has it already been instituted?
Sir, I'm not aware about that, sir, but I know, sir, France is in the process of instituting it for
It
under
has been
16.
instituted in Australia.
Lovely, sir. I'll definitely read up. But, sir, about the advantage would be, sir, what we see today is the reels culture, so short span of the, what we say, our mental capacities to focus on particular things.
Are
Sir,
you for it or against it?
So I am completely for it, sir. Completely for it, sir. I feel, sir, it is utmost necessary that children should be kept away from social media. So it has a overarching influence over children's mental capacity and the way they focus on their, education and any aspect of it.
Okay. Law. You run law.
Right, sir.
Can you tell me about the latest Supreme Court ruling with regard to the UGC
Right, sir. Promotion of
guidelines.
right, sir.
What were the guidelines about?
Sir,
What
guidelines
is
were
the controversy?
so. Sir, the promotion of equity in the higher educational institutes. So these were the guidelines. The predecessors were in 2012, and there were the new guidelines to promote equity. So it talked about creating equality opportunity centers in institutes, whereby, sir, the change in discrimination definition also included OBCs. And sir, the second controversy was regarding the false and frivolous complaints. The clause was removed in these new guidelines. And sir, the Supreme Court has ruled that it will divide the society. And also about the definition of the discrimination. It has talked about why was it necessary for giving a second definition of discrimination when a prior discrimination definition already exists. And why should we mention caste particularly?
Already existed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is a moot court?
Sir,
Final question.
so moot courts are, sir, a virtual, sir, virtuals in the sense that they are courts which are done given where students are given situations and issues are decided, and they have to represent their cases from both the sides. So particularly from the petitioner side and the defendant side. So we are given particular 5 minutes each to represent our cases, and there will be a judges to judge our side of the situation, and they'll rank the speakers. And also, sir, we also have to submit the memo of parties, which is the main, like the petition itself.
Praveen,
Right, sir.
your option is law.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you choose the civil services? Because
Sir-
already you are into law.
Sir, civil services itself gives a lot of diverse opportunities, sir. It gives the, what do you say, the first is the public service.
Okay.
You get to go into the public service directly from day one itself.
Okay.
And sir, the second would be, sir, diversity hats which a civil servant wears. So ranging from revenue administration, sir, policy implementation, you directly get to execute the policies which are framed by the, and sir, probably at a fair higher position, you also get a role in the policy formulations, which I feel, sir, is not the case with litigation or law, which
Okay.
itself limits itself to the legal issues only.
Okay. Fine. So UAE, how many states are there in UAE?
Sir, will you allow me to take a guess?
Yeah.
Sir, is it 13?
UAE,
Yes, sir.
United Arab Emirates.
Yes, sir. Sir,
How many states are there?
Sir, I'm not sure, sir.
7.
7. Sir, I'll definitely.
Fine. So what's your opinion about one nation and one election?
Sir, it's a progressive step, sir, I'll say. It will definitely, sir, reduce the, what we say, the mental hazard, the mental pressure in the minds of the people, because most of them, what they are doing is, sir, they'll have to vote for Jilla Panchayat elections now, probably 6 months after. It will save on the resources of the state also. But sir, there are certain issues regarding the implementation, sir. Even though the situations which have been offered by the government regarding holding the elections for a particular time period when the government falls. But sir, in reality, it will also, it will make the similar changes, sir. Let's say even if they are conducting 3 or 4 elections in a year, it will make it the same way what is happening right now. And also about the machinery, sir, the amount of machinery and manpower needed to execute that would require a lot of manpower.
Okay. So as you are into law,
Right, sir.
now I'm asking one question regarding Bangladesh issue.
Right, sir.
So how the law and order was broken there?
Yes, sir.
How the law and order was broken there recently?
So in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
So what we are seeing recently is a lot of hate activities against the minorities in Bangladesh. And sir, it is a grave concern for the humanitarian assistance there. And sir, it is in clear violation of the international human rights laws.
Yes, Praveen. Sedition, part of IPC.
Yes, sir.
Sedition, part of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. What are the major differences?
Sir, one of the major differences is that, sir, the word sedition itself has been removed. So second is about the inclusion of financial and economic activities in the BNS. Sir, it also includes, apart from the words, acts and the gestures, it also includes financial activities and the economic activities that hurt the nation, that has the potential. That is one of the major differences in the sedition.
And watching content related to espionage thriller.
Right, sir.
What is the difference between Mossad and RAW? What differences you notice?
In the execution.
Yes.
Sir, Mossad and Raw, right, sir? Sir, I am not aware about the particular execs of that, but I feel, sir, they have a. I don't think so, sir. I'll be
Okay. Yes. What is the difference? Serious crime and heinous crime.
serious crimes and heinous crimes. Sir, heinous crimes, by the definition, are the gravest of the grave crimes. Sir, crimes like, sir.
Based on time, it will be based upon imprisonment.
Yes, sir. In the imprisonment, yes, sir. So there are crimes like, sir, sexual offences against the women, sir. The POXO cases are cited as the heinous crimes. And, sir,
If
grave.
imprisonment is more than 7 years, it's called as heinous crimes. Yes. Tell me about the few provisions of Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 after Delhi rape case.
Okay. Sir, one of the measures would be, sir, there were the committee report of Justice Verma. They were implemented in the 2013 amendment laws. And, sir, the laws related to gang rape and also they were updated with serious punishments being updated to them. So that was one of the major changes in the IPC that year.
What is the basic difference between ICC, ICJ?
International Criminal Court and the International Court of Justice. Sir, the basic difference would be, sir, ICC tries individuals, whereas, sir, ICJ has its jurisdiction over states. Yes. That is the primary difference. And, sir, ICJ is one of the organs of UN, and, sir, ICC draws its power from Rome Statute.
Yes. Rohit Vemula Bill.
Right, sir.
Of which state?
Sir, Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Karnataka.
Karnataka, sorry, sir.
Yes. What is the basic difference between advocate, pleader, and lawyer?
Sir, I'll say, a lawyer is someone who has done BLLB, sir, a degree in law. So an advocate is a person who has passed the Bar Council of India exam and he has been registered as a member of the bar. And, sir, a pleader is someone who argues before a judge.
What is your opinion? Marital rape should be criminalized or not?
Right, sir. Sir, I feel, sir, it should be criminalized, sir, because, sir, it goes against the grain of the constitution. Sir, treating women as an agency of a man is against the freedoms envisaged in our constitution, sir. It is in clear violation of that. And, sir, it is long due, even the law commission reports argue in that favor, sir.
Then how you will identify whether the marital rape happened or not?
Right, sir. So the implementation is a big issue, sir. It's a critical gray area, which obviously, sir, there needs to be a mechanism to identify that.
Do you have any mechanism?
Sir, in my mind at this point, so I'll take a moment. Sir, I can't think of anything right now, but I'll definitely, sir, develop on this and look after something which can be a possible mechanism for finding that.
Yes. Tell me right-based laws.
Yes, sir.
Rights-based laws up to now. After independence, what are all the laws made with respect to rights? Right-based laws.
Rights-based laws. Sir, DV Act, sir, one of them.
Right, hak.
Rights-based law.
Yes. Like right to information.
Right, sir. Right to information was one. Sir, I'll take a brief moment. Sir, I think so. I need to read up on this, sir. I definitely need to read up on this.
Yes.